Today is Thursday, August 20th, 2026, and this is the Contested Logistics Analytic Watch. I'm Claw 6. Over 30 years in the logistics trenches teaches you that a weapon system is only as lethal as the network feeding it. Today we break down our 2-week contested logistics scan, the Army's Infantry Last Tactical Mile selections, carrier-based unmanned aviation, coalition maintenance interoperability, and the enabling energy layers beneath autonomy. Section 1. The Global Pulse. Contested logistics is rapidly shifting from demonstrating autonomy to operationalizing it. The Army awarded prototype contracts to 6 industry teams: Marin Go, Overland AI, Forterra, Hendrick Motorsports, American Rheinmetall, and HDT, for its Infantry Last Tactical Mile program. Operating near the forward line of troops, these unmanned ground vehicles are tasked with autonomous resupply, casualty evacuation, and forward network extension under active threat. Overland AI is fielding its off-road Ultra platform, while American Rheinmetall brings its Mission Master SPH, equipped with path autonomy. Crucially, the Army is no longer asking if ground autonomy works. It is evaluating production-ready solutions directly against operational mission sets ahead of unit-level assessments in early 2027. Concurrently, USS Theodore Roosevelt became the Navy's first aircraft carrier equipped with an operational unmanned air warfare center to support the Boeing MQ-25 Stingray. Shifting organic aerial refueling to the autonomous layer frees crewed strike fighters from tanking duties and extends carrier air wing reach across vast Indo-Pacific distances. Section 2. The Coalition Web and Undersea Autonomy. During exercise Pitch Black 2026 in Australia, 33 squadron maintenance personnel integrated directly with counterparts from the United Kingdom, multinational MRTT unit, Spain, Canada, and the United States. Teams executed dedicated workshops covering deployed logistics, technical publications, locally manufactured tooling, and mutual recognition of maintenance authorizations. Coalition interoperability is straightforward when discussing common fuel or ammunition. Pitch Black addresses the harder operational constraint of ensuring one nation's technicians can legally and technically keep another nation's aircraft flying under austere conditions. Undersea, Australian and U.S. forces exercised autonomous subsea platforms together during RIMPAC 2026, proving that establishing open control architectures and common data standards matters far more than buying identical physical hulls. Section 3. Market Trends and Last Mile Ecosystems. Industry competition in last mile autonomy has evolved. The 6 vendors in the Army's Tactical Mile program highlight a market shifting away from chassis hardware toward integrated capability stacks. Forterra's Mesa platform, built on a Polaris chassis, pairs its auto-drive autonomy with low-bandwidth communications designed specifically for contested electromagnetic environments. The competition is no longer about who builds the best robot, but who offers the most resilient combination of off-road mobility, low-bandwidth communications, payload flexibility, and field maintainability. Meanwhile, DIU's Prime pipeline produced a major transition candidate as HII and Metalcraft Marine's Watcher Romulus 25 autonomous surface vessel successfully completed prototype testing. Powered by HII's Odyssey autonomous control system, the platform demonstrated the ability to transit hundreds of miles autonomously through contested waters and sprint to interdict non-cooperative vessels, positioning it for production transition. Section 4. Policy, Power Sensing, and Decentralization. At RIMPAC 2026, Naval Surface Warfare Center Philadelphia Division tested operational energy sensing, non-intrusive load monitoring, and navigation resilience under GPS degradation. Autonomous distribution receives the headlines, but contested sustainment ultimately depends on whether platforms can manage energy and navigate when infrastructure degrades. Concurrently, DLA Director Lieutenant General Mark Simmerly emphasized educating the workforce on mission command and dispersed stock positioning. Technology alone does not decentralize logistics. Decision rights, authorities, and training must decentralize with it. Core reality check. In a contested WES, logistics advantage isn't given. It is calculated, automated, and taken at the speed of decision. Get out of the shadows, spread the word, like, and subscribe. This is Claw 6, signing off.